Day 5, going off the grid. Today's project, well, it's partway through the day already. I've had to do some things inside. Basically round up some of the personal belongings. There was some trophies and some antlers and stuff on the wall. Round that up. I'm going to deliver that later on today. Drop it off at the previous owner's daughter's house, kind of thing. And then also, I purchased an inverter from online, and it came. The display doesn't work. Packing that up, selling that back today, and then later today I'm going to the city to actually pick up a good size inverter, because I'm going to start doing some construction, light construction, but anyway, I'm going to need some power tools and need some power down here. So here though, for this afternoon, this is a little washroom facility that's on the side of the building, and just for this year, temporarily, I'm going to use it. I'm going to fix it back up again, and then later on I'm going to be tearing this down completely. But so anyway, as you can see, the roof is pretty rough shape, so I'm going to rip that off and replace it and fix her back up again. That's this afternoon's project. And one other thing today I'm going to be doing is just getting some of the big sticks and stuff off the roof. It should only take a few minutes. Get the ladder there, and I'll use another stick to pull it down with. Nothing major. Okay, there's no problem getting that first piece off, but now that second piece, like, I don't want to climb on that roof, and I don't know where to put the ladder where I can get close enough to that. The broom won't reach it. So anyway, I went out in the little shed that's I'll show later, and there just happens to be some poles here. So I'm going to click some poles together, climb up the ladder, and whack that thing right off of there. So the poles didn't hook together, but whatever, just taped a couple together. That project's done. Now on to the bigger, more serious one. Over here, that's why she's rotting out, being chewed out. The little ants got themselves a nice little house. Anyway, I'm going to have to move over and take them out of there. Okay, so I used a hammer to try to get that top of the roof off, busted the hammer. Found an old sledge in the garage, took out with that, busted that too. That's a 0 for 2 for that deal, so I just went inside and started cleaning the inside part out instead of the roof. I'm going to have to get a pry bar and a few other better tools, and it's going to be pushed till tomorrow morning's project kind of thing. However, I can clean out the inside a bit. Oh yeah! Just can't have fun doing this stuff. Well, got some of this stuff accomplished. Geez, a warm day today. Anyway, well, got a tire papered. I put plywood on, fixed up some of that spot, and got the tire paper on, and that'll be enough for today. Got the door. This isn't a wall. I just stuck it on here temporarily. Still got I got the flush out and put up some new support. It was rotted. Took that part out. Now I'm gonna have to get some more wood to put in by the toilet and fix that up again so I can put the toilet back on. And this is kind of cool. The guy comes around and adjusts the buoys, make sure in the right spot. They won't come by today. That's kind of neat. So living in the country, you usually get used to hornets and all kinds of different pests and bugs and stuff like that. Anyway, there's a little shed that I have been into a few times now. I've never heard them. Usually you can hear them long before they come and get you. I didn't hear them until I walked right in and I split one of their nests right open, and they swarmed me pretty good. I got bit twice and I ran out of there at top-notch speed and made some very unmanly sounds. But anyway, it's all part of the day. I healed up right away.